Where's it wrong, motherfucker? Come on.
That's good.
Mid green, bitch. Like regular. See, that's low green. I want mid green, dog.
Let me see your settings. Your max.
Mid green.
Your max and to the 4. What's your gain set?
Mid green.
What's your gain set to?
I don't know, dude. Come on, relax.
I'm fine. You're the one freaking out about mid green.
Mid green.
John, you're not listening to me. Mid green.
Mid green. Oh, see, I need to be higher, dude. I'm maxed out, dog. Come on, bro. What are you doing?
What? I'm not doing. Okay. Wait, where's it at? Okay. So
yeah.
what's the problem?
Look, the DB minus 4.3.
But you shouldn't need.
Yeah, dog. Hey, look, I'm soft spoken. Relax. Mid green. Mid green. Look at that. It's mid green.
You're looking at me like I was stupid. Mid green. Look at me. Look into my eyes. Look into the windows of my soul.
All right.
Mid. Okay. Okay. All right. So let's
mid green. Mid green.
Stop whispering.
The Rock.
Okay.
I don't know the rest of that bullshit that he says.
Do you smell what the Rock is?
Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, I always want to be a bald 300-pound fucking.
Okay.
Hulk, Hawaiian. You know what I'm saying?
Do you need to be turned up a little bit more?
Oh, I don't know. Check it out.
You look a little.
Check it.
Okay, can you talk at a normal level?
Normal level. Mid green.
Green?
Horse radish.
Okay. Let me turn on mine.
David Arquette.
Is mine on? Mine's on. Hello? Now mine's low.
Look at the voice meter.
What?
The app. Yours is off, bro.
Where?
It's all the way off, bro. Look.
Oh.
Yeah, dog. What you doing, dog?
Hello?
Stop around, dog.
Hello?
Chicken rice.
Hello?
Chicken rice.
I'm trying to put it in fucking... I can't focus because you won't show. Oh, dude, I can't.
This is not on, dude. Look at the light. Press it down. Hold it.
Yeah, it's still... Hello?
Alright, get out.
No, I can do this.
You can't.
Don't condescend me.
I'm not condescending, it's facts.
Yeah. Alright, look, we're gonna shut it down, reopen it.